Going over Tesla stock here and on unusual whales. Stefo here with a $455 price target, a buy recommendation. If we take a look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buy price recommendations here in a row from these 8 firms. You can see the latest insider buying here and selling from week of March 10th. And as a reminder, today is March 31st, 2025. Let's go ahead and take a look at Tesla here for this week. Current price here being 255, 256. Pretty good here in my opinion in terms of just a bounce during this morning. If I zoom into the 5-minute chart, you can see here we had a low of 243. Now I think this is a dip opportunity. If you watched any of our previous video, I mentioned the dip range is between 272 and 250. I wouldn't mind adding a small position, and then anything below 250, I would look to add a big position. And so if we zoom in here, we did hit that low of 243. That is below 250. Being a big opportunity here for Tesla stock if you're looking to go long term or looking to potentially swing trade. In my personal opinion, I think this is a pretty good entry being below 250. If we zoom out here to the daily chart, you can see the next major resistance I have set up is going to be at 272, followed by 313, 355, 406, and of course the all-time high there at 488. If we compare the current price here to the next major resistance, the move here is going to be right around a 7% move, followed by a 23% move up towards 313. Once we do break above this middle Bollinger Band here on the daily chart, I do expect to see a big move back up all the way to 355. And again, currently from our current price to 355 is right around a 40% move towards the top side. And again, I personally do think we do break above the middle and upper Bollinger Band on the daily chart. Just keep an eye out for price ranging between 355 all the way back up to 488. And if you look at the unusual whales here, just take this with a grain of salt. Looking at Stifel's price target here of 455, and we go into the Webull chart, 455. That's right around almost an 80% move towards the top side. So again, that's just something to keep an eye out for. I did mention that I think Tesla will test the all-time high within this year of 2025. I think just give it some time and patience. Of course, it's going to be a high-risk mover since it's extremely volatile. You can see as much as it rips up, it also dips down just as volatile. So in terms of a dip opportunity, I think just keep an eye out for us being below the 200 daily moving average. That could also be a dip opportunity. Now, if you're looking at the Fibonacci retracement level below 272, looks pretty good in terms of my opinion here. Small position. And again, below 250, big position. So you can see here that this morning here we kind of bought up above our support here of 250. And so let's just see with the remaining of this week, can we remain above 250? And if not, is the dip towards 217 big? We can see from our current price here a dip down to about 217. So we could potentially, if there is an overall market pullback some more, you can possibly expect a 15 to 16% pullback there for Tesla stock from current prices. If you are long-term on Tesla or you're looking to just swing trade, let us know down below in the comments. And if you are a long-term shareholder, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join, and we have over 32,000 people. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, we do have a permanent discount right now, as we do share live entries and exits on stocks and options from multiple analysts. Link down below in the description for our Patreon.